This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Thrive Serum. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any impurities or makeup. It is crucial that your skin is completely dry before proceeding with the serum application. Next, make sure you have your Thrive Serum readily available, perhaps with a small mirror to help you see clearly. This simple preparation ensures the serum can work its magic effectively. Now, let's apply the serum. Carefully dispense just 2 to 3 drops of Thrive Serum onto your clean fingertips. With a very light touch, gently pat the serum all over your face and down onto your neck. Remember to avoid any harsh rubbing or pulling on your skin. Instead, use soft, upward motions to distribute the product evenly, ensuring full coverage for optimal benefits. After application, give the serum a moment to fully absorb into your skin. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate deeply. Once absorbed, you can then follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration and benefits. For the most noticeable and lasting results, incorporate Thrive Serum into your routine twice daily, both morning and night. To ensure your Thrive Serum remains potent, store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Remember, consistency is absolutely vital when using any skincare product. Regular application will yield the best visible improvements over time. By following these easy steps, you will soon enjoy a more radiant, smoother, and beautifully hydrated complexion, enhancing your natural glow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.